Are you tired of the traditional retirement timeline? The ones that easily can derail you success? Lots of plans to retire early. Take financial peace, part of the Dave Ramsey movement, for example. The system I used early on to reduce debt. What if I told you there may just be a better way? A way that actually combines the best practices of several movements all in one short, easy to understand method. Watch until the end to get my checklist of the steps. It's a call to action for you to take control of your financial future and retire early on your own terms. Sounds good with today's inflation reducing your buying power. The FIRE movement works better the sooner you start it. But if you are approaching those retirement years, you too can still learn from its principles. Sit back, grab a pen and paper for notes, and let's learn how FIRE may just work for you. Hi, my name is Mark with Crypto for Seniors, where curiosity evolves into knowledge. Welcome to our short guide on financial independence, retire early, or FIRE for short. In this video, we're diving deep into the FIRE movement, giving you the tools and knowledge you need to escape the 9-to-5 grind and achieve financial freedom, potentially decades earlier than you ever thought possible. Please let me be clear. This video is not financial advice. It is intended to be educational only. Seek guidance from a certified financial planner who is knowledgeable about FIRE. Let's get started. The FIRE movement isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a fundamental shift in mindset, a reevaluation of your relationship with money. True wealth isn't measured by how much you earn, but by how much freedom you have. The first step is awareness. Be brutally honest about your financial situation. What are your income streams? How much debt are you carrying? Where does your money go each month? This is where the frugal mindset comes in. Frugal means being intentional with your money. Understand the difference between needs and wants, and be willing to cut back on the latter. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can be invested, bringing you closer to financial independence. It's about delaying gratification now for a much larger reward later. A life of freedom and choice. Align your spending with your values. What truly matters to you? This journey is about taking control of your life, one financial decision at a time. Design a life you don't need a vacation from. Debt is the ultimate dream killer. It's the anchor weighing down your financial ship. High-interest debt is like a financial black hole, sucking away your hard-earned money each month. The first step is to acknowledge the problem and commit to conquering it. There are two main approaches to tackling debt: the snowball method and the avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, providing a psychological win. The avalanche method prioritizes paying down high-interest debt first, minimizing the total interest paid over time. Choose the method that resonates most with you. Get aggressive. Look for areas in your budget to cut back and redirect those funds towards debt repayment. This doesn't have to leave you out in the cold. Consider side hustles or freelance work to generate additional income. Becoming debt-free isn't just about numbers, it's about peace of mind. Once you're debt-free, a whole new world of financial possibilities opens up. Building wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you save and invest. In the world of FIRE, your savings rate is your superpower. The higher your savings rate, the faster you reach your destination. This isn't about deprivation, it's about optimization. Track your expenses meticulously. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or pen and paper. Identify areas to cut back. Reduce your biggest expenses: housing, transportation, and food. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can be invested and working for you. Maximizing your savings rate isn't just about cutting back. It's also about boosting your income. Negotiate a raise, find freelance opportunities, or start a side hustle. Your income is your biggest wealth-building tool. Use it wisely. You've embraced the frugal mindset, tackled your debt, and boosted your savings rate. This is a significant achievement and a crucial first step in your financial journey. By cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on saving, you've built a solid foundation. But now, it's time to take the next step. Now it's time to put that money to work and make it grow. Investing is the key to building wealth and achieving financial independence. It's not just about saving, it's about making your money work for you. In the FIRE community, we're all about long-term, sustainable growth. This means focusing on investments that will grow steadily over time, rather than chasing quick wins. It's about patience and consistency. One of the most popular investment vehicles for FIRE enthusiasts is index funds. These funds track a specific index like the S&P 500 and offer a simple way to invest in a broad range of companies. They offer broad market exposure, diversification, and low fees. Diversification is crucial because it spreads your risk across many different investments, reducing the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Another popular option is real estate, which can generate passive income and appreciate in value. Real estate investments can provide a steady stream of income through rental properties, and over time, the value of the property can increase. Don't forget about retirement accounts like 401ks and Roth IRAs. These accounts are designed to help you save for retirement and offer significant tax advantages. These accounts offer tax advantages that can significantly boost your investment returns. For example, contributions to a 401k are often tax deductible, and the investments grow tax-free until you withdraw the money in retirement. Contribute as much as you can, especially if your employer offers a match. Employer matching is essentially free money, and it can significantly increase your retirement savings over time. Investing involves risk, but over the long term, the stock market has historically trended upwards. While there will be ups and downs, the overall trend has been positive, making it a powerful tool for building wealth. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk and maximize returns. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and invest in what you understand. It's important to know what you're investing in and to be comfortable with the level of risk you're taking on. Investing is the engine that drives your FIRE journey. It's what will allow you to build wealth and achieve financial independence. By making smart investment choices, you can grow your wealth and reach your financial goals. Choose your investments wisely and watch your wealth grow over time. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and make adjustments as needed. With patience and discipline, you can achieve financial independence and enjoy the freedom that comes with it. Let's talk about calculating your FIRE number. This is the total amount of money you need invested to cover your living expenses for the rest of your life. The most common method for calculating your FIRE number is the 4% rule. To calculate your FIRE number, determine your annual expenses and divide that number by 0.04. For example, if your annual expenses are $40,000, your FIRE number would be $1 million. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. Once you have your FIRE number in mind, start tracking your progress. Use tools and apps to monitor your net worth and track your investments. Find a system that works for you and stick with it. Tracking your progress isn't about obsessing over every penny, it's about staying motivated and making adjustments as needed. Reaching financial independence is a massive accomplishment. But what happens next? How do you transition from the working world to a life of FI? Celebrate your achievement. Reflect on your journey and appreciate the financial security you've built. The transition to FI can look different for everyone. Some choose to retire completely, while others reduce their hours or pursue passion projects. Design a life that aligns with your values and brings you joy. This transition can also involve some practical considerations. Consult with a financial advisor who specializes in FIRE to ensure a smooth and sustainable transition. Congratulations, you've achieved financial independence. So, how does that make you feel? Put some thought how your life would be different. Put a comment below. Actually write it down in the comments what your financial independence looks like for you. Remember in the beginning of the video I told you I will give you a checklist for financial freedom using FIRE. Remember that pen and paper I spoke of? Now is a great time to use them. Pause the video if you miss one or two. Okay, starting at number 1. Financial independence is a journey, not a destination. 2. The economy is constantly evolving, and life throws unexpected curveballs our way. Stay adaptable and make adjustments to your financial plan as needed. 3. Regularly review your investment portfolio and adjust your asset allocation. 4. And this is a big one. The 4% rule is a guideline, not a guarantee. 5. During periods of market volatility, you may need to adjust your withdrawal rate. 6. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Depends on your situation. Dave Ramsey and his baby steps suggest start with $1,000. That will get you over the hump if your car has issues. You need to repair an appliance. As your wealth grows, consider increasing this number over time. 7. Financial independence is about having options and flexibility. 8. Seek professional guidance when needed to stay on track. One of the most rewarding aspects of the FIRE movement is the incredible community. Connecting with like-minded individuals provides camaraderie, accountability, and motivation. Share your experiences, learn from others, and find support during challenging times. Millions of people around the world are embracing the FIRE movement. Sharing your knowledge and experiences can be incredibly rewarding. Inspire others to take control of their finances and contribute to the growing movement of financial literacy. Get involved, connect with the community, and pay it forward. Together, we can build a brighter financial future for ourselves and generations to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. The FIRE movement is a journey, not a destination. Start by taking small steps, stay consistent, and never give up on your dreams of early retirement with FIRE. If you enjoyed this video, click on the video shown on screen for another great video about building and keeping wealth. Bye for now.